Get over yours, and there it is. He gave it a little bit of a dry out for me and a bit of a vacuum, so I could pull the moisture out of those coils. That worked quite well. Good idea. There's bloody put a hammer to it, the bloody idiots. Decommissioning arseholes. 3 phase, 266.6 watts a kilowatt hour, 2.5, 15 amp CT, 1.250 watt hours per pulse, 4 wire, 50 Hz, 240 volt. The circuit board looks amazingly in good condition, so that might be over to repair. Yeah, that'll go, she'll go. Oh, the numbers come off. Yikes, they do move. Be careful. I can white out those anyway, carefully with the white out, depending if we touch those up. I'll pull the face off because they're touching those wheels, so yeah, to pull this off, give it a bit of a straighten out, and maybe cut some perspex to go inside and patch this up, or get one of my digital EMI ones of these meters. One of the digital ones, we pull the front off that as a new front for this one. All those filings stuck on the magnet, thankfully they stayed there. I'm going to have to blow those off and get those off there. Yep, it moves freely. Now, it should go. It's less corroded and less buggered than I actually thought it was. From this video, it looked worse than this, but it should go. It's going to be a like Shango 066's TV resurrection videos. Well, I'm doing the same with these meters. Still a tiny bit of moisture in there, but it should dry out. So look, when I get some spare time, here's some dust fed loam from Alice Springs, the Great Australian Desert Dust on this one. It is actually better than I thought. Been through some rainstorms, some extreme heat waves and dust storms, so this thing's built for the Australian conditions. There's a piece in there. See if I can find all the pieces. They should all be in there. I should pop a piece of it back together and super glue it. This will make an interesting resurrection. Yeah, sure go. Definitely. I don't doubt that. Should be accurate too. Most of the mechanisms are pretty clean. The challenge is just getting this iron filings off the rust off the magnet, those filings. If those filings go underneath it, it's going to be more harder to get them out of the meter completely. They're going to stick a load of everything. So I have to carefully get those off. I think I got a good way to get those off. Yeah, they'll come off easily. Yeah, everything's in pretty good condition anyway. When I get a spare chance, I'll be, look forward to some resurrection videos on this one. Everything's intact too. Yeah, CTs went on there. If I had the CTs of this meter, I don't know how big they are, they have to ask. Maybe if they're the right size. If they're too big, they're probably not going to be... I know they did make some big ass CTs of this, but the ones I've got, I'll just use those. If that board had the CTs for this meter, that'd be a bonus. If I can get the CTs, the original 15 amp CTs for this thing, it'd be a real good bonus. 4 wire, 50 Hz, 240 volt, yeah, as I said. SDMP. So, this is a pre-restoration analysis here. So look forward to some resurrection videos on this meter when I get around to it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.